Hi, this is John with Dean Safe Company. We sell over 500 safes a month, and a large percentage of that are gun safes. One of the biggest complaints we get about gun safes is, I ran out of room. Well, there's a couple of reasons for that, but the number one is the factories try to emphasize how many guns you can get into them. But take a look at this. You can't get a gun here, here, and here, or a rifle, excuse me. You can't get a rifle in every single one of these locations. So a 20 gun safe, you'll be lucky if you can get 10, 12 rifles in there. So here's a young lady with a real world solution. We sell this product, we like it. Take a look at this.
Are you struggling to find a good way to store your vast array of guns? Do you have a hard time getting guns in and out of the back row? Get the storage system in your safe that will solve all of these problems. Get rifle rods. Rifle rods utilize a hook and loop system. The rifle rod itself is a plastic rod with hook fabric on the head. The coordinating shelf liner is a loop fabric that gets stapled to the underside of the shelf in your safe. The rifle rod then slides down the barrel of the gun. Place the gun in the desired location and pull up on the rifle rod until it securely attaches with the shelf liner above. When guns are leaning into the standard notched rack systems, there is a lot of wasted space. The stocks of the guns are a cluttered mess and the space above is just barely used. Now watch how straightening up one gun provides room for another gun behind it. Now multiply this effect and you could double your safe's capacity. Rifle rods will store guns more efficiently, making room for more guns, ammo, and other valuables. Your safe will be better organized and adapt to various guns, like ARs, shotguns, and scoped rifles. With more guns in your safe, the guns will be easier to access, even from the back row. So, you've decided a safe isn't complete without the space-saving supremacy of rifle rods. You're a clever individual. Let me show you the best way to install the product and really maximize your space. Here's where you can take a before picture for us. First, you'll need a rifle rod starter kit. Don't skimp on me here. You need the kit because it includes the rifle rod shelf liner. It is vital because this material will not fray over time. The stuff inside your safe will fray. Mark my words. Second, grab your scissors and a staple gun. Remove the shelf above your guns. Cut the fabric to shape and staple it to the shelf about every 4 inches. If you have a notch in the shelf, you can span it with the fabric. If you find you need to accommodate long guns, cut out the notch and apply it to the surface above. Place your shelf as low as possible according to your gun heights. To get the best support with rifle rods, make sure that the shelf is as close to the muzzles as possible. Now, start placing your guns into the safe. The most efficient use of space is to place the guns with iron sights along the back wall. Then start filling in with your scoped guns, keeping the rows nice and organized. Now, what about those shorter ARs? Well, think from the bottom up. Maybe add an ammo can underneath the gun. There's a lot of freedom when you use rifle rods. You're not constrained to a certain layout. How many more guns did you fit in? Are you able to get the guns in and out of the back easier? Take an after picture and email it to us or post it online using the hashtag #StoreMoreGuns.
As you can see, she knows exactly what she's talking about. We've been selling rifle rods for years. We love them. Check out our website. Hey, give you a chance to subscribe here. I'd sure appreciate it. Check out my next video. Hit our website. I'll direct the link directly to the rifle rod setup. Thanks a lot. Bye.